is Shobha and we are shooting for this series called Man Ki Baat, and for the first part of it we are near Bhawanipur College जहाँ होने वाला है इनका annual fest Umang. So let's go and ask students about their thoughts, their Man Ki Baat on Umang. Come on. Umang is around the corner. What are your thoughts about it?
Umang is like one of the biggest, it's like a festival for us because like one of the biggest function that happens in our college. As because we have so many collectives in our college, so we feel like it's a place where all the collectives they join together and they have fun. Many people from the different colleges they come to our college, they have fun, they spend time, they make memories. So it's basically something which we actually look for, and like it's what can we say, like it's that part of the year where we are like so excited, and we are also very tired because you know that hassle from the morning to the afternoon, and then at night, then again we have to come tomorrow for at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. we have to practice and all that shit. Umang itself is a culture for us. Like it's like Durga Puja is the second festival हो गया हम लोग के लिए. So yeah, it's like a love thing and emotion for us to go.
What about you?
मस्ती रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
So Umang is around the corner. What are your feelings about Umang?
I'm excited. Like I performed last year, and yeah, so I'm here to take place. The energy, the vibrance, everything here is just amazing, and that is what like it's like the feeling inside the people. That's what brings people here, you know. And जो energy है ना यहाँ पे like वो खींचा जाता है इंसान को कि नहीं उमंग में जाना है. कहीं पे भी हो, like at the end of the year, दिसंबर में आपको उमंग तो आना ही है आपको.
And what are your thoughts about it?
I'm the college representative from College Girls this year, and what has changed about Umang this year, as I've noticed, is that there are 80 plus events. So there is like an event for every individual from a college, no matter what their talent is. It's like we said, it's the variety of events that they have this year is pulling the students into it, and of course the reputation that the college has maintained, the way it is organized to its minutest detail. There is like nothing that the students can really complain about when they come to the fest. And it's not like कोई एक genre का event है. It's like it covers each and every type of, starting from drama, starting from like fashion, music, dance. It can like even art. And they have like this year I propose they have another event. It's doing another event. Maze a Maze. Okay, the theme this is also set up Maze a Maze. So there is a maze related event. Like last time, yes, Umang Maze. Last time there was an event which was kind of a name tha, and it was introduced. It was called the No Flame Cooking. In the history of Umang, there was no flame cooking event, but it was introduced last year. So each and every year they introduce one such event.
Oh, that is interesting. आप लोग और भी colleges के events में जाते होंगे, तो क्या difference, क्या major difference है उमंग और बाकी college के fest में?
The vibrance and the respect people give to everyone. The way they treat every student, like they treat every student like their own student, and like they try to make it home for it. ऐसा नहीं कि आप कोई दूसरे कॉलेज से आए हो इसलिए we'll leave up to you, everything up to you. स्टूडेंट से आपको संभालेंगे. No, everyone आप सिर्फ हमारे कॉलेज में आए हो. No, you have responsibility of our responsibility. तो हम आपको खुद के कॉलेज की तरह ही ट्रीट करेंगे.
झगड़ा, वर्क और एक सही में वाइब है. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है शादी में हम काम कर रहे हैं. बहुत एक नेक्स्ट लेवल एक्सपीरियंस और बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है. कैसे क्या काम हैंडल करना पड़ता है, किस प्रेशर से मतलब हम लोग करते रहते हैं. यहाँ ऊपर से सुनना पड़ता है, ठीक है, पर बहुत ज्यादा मजा भी आता है. हाँ,
कोई मिला नहीं यार ऐसे कभी ऐसा मिला नहीं अटेंड करने के लिए.
मिला नहीं मतलब
दूसरे कॉलेज में थे, कभी भी उमंग में इनवाइट नहीं किया गया हमारे कॉलेज को.
बहुत सैड पार्ट है ये तो.
बहुत सैड पार्ट है.
हम लोग भी मतलब मैं 2-3 फ्रेंड्स के कारण ही ज्वाइन किया था पहला साल, और सेकंड साल तो मैं खुद उन लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ कि करो.
So this is like your second year. Your smile is very nice.
जो लोग को मौका मिलता है कि उन लोग से मिले, उन लोग से ये करे, और जो लोग कमिटीज में होते हैं, जैसे हम लोग, जैसे हम भी एक कमिटी में थे, तो हम लोग को स्पॉन्सरशिप लेने जाना पड़ता है, तो वो सब कभी हम लोग को स्किल पड़ता है. और जो हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइजिंग जो और भी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में रहते हैं, सब में भी स्किल भी बढ़ता है. वो मतलब दोस्त का तो इंटरेस्टिंग मजा है ही, वो तो है ही.
तो स्पॉन्सरशिप पाना कितना मुश्किल होता है?
जैसे मैंने गया था, जैसे पहले जब मैं कॉलेज में था, तो मैंने मोहित अग्रवाल क्लासेस में गया था स्पॉन्सरशिप लेने के लिए. तो उन लोग को इजी नहीं रहता स्पॉन्सरशिप. उन लोग को ये चीज मतलब ये करना पड़ता है कि हाँ
आप लोग का मैं प्लेकार्ड लगाऊंगा, ये लगाऊंगा, आप लोग का स्टूडेंट आएगा उससे। जैसे मोहित अग्रवाल क्लासेस का मैंने यहाँ पर ये लगाया था, प्लेकार्ड लगवाया था, उन्होंने 25,000 जैसे डिस्कस नहीं करना तो उन्होंने 25,000 दिया था भवानीपुर का उमंग के लिए। तो ये सब होता है दोस्तों, मतलब देखो मतलब स्किल्स बढ़ता है कि हाँ स्पॉन्सर कल आगे जाके बिजनेस में भी वो सब क्लाइंट्स से इंटरेक्ट करने में, ये करने में वो स्किल्स आएगा।
Umang is around the corner. What are your thoughts about it?
Well, being a science student at Bhawanipur, I feel like Umang is not for us. I feel like Umang just excludes us. It's only for BCom and BS students.
And why do you feel so?
Because, you know, the way auditions take place and events are arranged, like, we actually have a lot of practicals and stuff, like, we have to miss classes a lot, and, you know, if you are a science student in this college, only then you can get the feel, like, any science section student, you pick them and ask them, they're all are gonna answer the test. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I was a student of this college a year ago. So, yeah, I feel that Umang is one of the biggest colleges in Kolkata, to be very specific. And it's a very popular, even in, we are from Burdwan Xavier, so it's pretty popular there too. And you can see the hype around the corner, people are hyped about it, everywhere, student is preparing about it, and every other college are also involved, many events, about more than hundreds of events for the Umang, and that's really appreciated, according to me.
And what are your thoughts about it?
Same goes, because when we were personally invited, like our college was invited, so everyone was hyped up because there are a lot of events that usually don't take part in other colleges. So yeah, we are highly excited and we are performing in a lot of events, not only fashion shows. So yes, we are excited.
I think Umang's experience is more about winning everything. Whenever Bhawanipur goes somewhere, we win and we come. That's Umang for me, honestly.
काफी सारे कल्चर देखने को मिल रहे हैं अभी यहाँ पर, लाइक मैंने अभी आ रहा था तो प्रिपरेशन वो सब और डिफरेंट इजिप्शियन कल्चर्स, वो सब डिफरेंट कल्चर्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं, और काफी सारे सोलो परफॉर्मेंस और आर्टिस्ट जैसे गिटारिस्ट वो सब काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म होगा।
आपने किसी इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया?
मैं फर्स्ट ईयर हूँ तो अभी
Oh, first year.
Yeah.
So how excited are you?
तो वेरी मच एक्साइटेड।
So Umang has not yet begun for this year, but I guess it's really nice because you get a lot of people from different places and you get to interact, and it's a huge crowd, and there are so many events. And even if you wanted, like I don't know if there's so many colleges, but then if you wanted, you could participate. So that's that.